Conversation with friend in English. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hey there. Long time no see. How have you been?
Hi. I know, it's been a while. I've been pretty good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great too. So, what have you been up to lately?
Well, I just started a new job last month. It's been challenging, but I'm enjoying it so far. How about you? Any exciting news?
That sounds awesome. Congratulations on the new job. As for me, nothing major, really. Just been busy with work and trying to find some time for hobbies. Speaking of which, I recently started hiking on weekends. It's a great way to de-stress.
Oh, hiking sounds fantastic. I've always wanted to try it. Maybe we can plan a hike together sometime. By the way, have you watched any good movies or read any interesting books lately?
Absolutely. I'd love to go hiking together. And yes, I watched this incredible movie called Inception last week. It's mind-bending and keeps you on the edge of your seat. Highly recommend it. As for books, I just finished reading The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. It's a beautiful story about following your dreams.
Inception is on my watch list now. Thanks for the recommendation. And I've heard great things about The Alchemist. I'll definitely give it a read. By the way, how's your family doing? I remember you mentioned they were planning a vacation.
Thanks. I'm sure you'll enjoy both the movie and the book. As for my family, they're doing well. They had a wonderful vacation in Europe last month. Lots of sightseeing and quality time together. It was a much-needed break for all of them.
That sounds amazing. I'm glad they had a great time. Well, it's been really nice catching up with you. We should definitely plan that hike soon, and maybe grab a cup of coffee sometime too.
Absolutely. Let's make plans for both. It was great seeing you again. Take care and see you soon.
You too. Take care and see you soon. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.